Welcome, fellas. Welcome, people. I'm gonna try to give you a quick rundown of the MT5 app, right? Let's see if we can do it under 5 minutes. Let's go. Start. All right, fellas. Let's see right here. Euro USD. There's 6 letters, right? The first 3 is a currency. The second 3 letters is another currency. So right now, you see, EUR is euros. EUR is euros, and USD is, of course, dollars. So now, let's say you click on it, right? You click on it. See, it says new order, charts, properties, depth of market, all of that stuff. You can see all of that stuff right there. New order. Let's say you want to click new order. If you think the euro is gonna raise over the dollar, you press buy, right? And if you think the dollar is gonna raise over the euro, you press sell. You do sell. It's not like stocks. Here we can do money up and down. Okay, that's covered. Let's see, lot size. Lot size right here. This is lot size. That's a 1.00 lot size. So that's equivalent to basically $10. Every 1 pip up is $10, or every pip down is minus $10. Pip. So what is pip? Okay, let's go back. Right here, pip. You see these numbers, right? The last 2, that's what we talk about, pip, right? So it went up 1. It went, like, it goes to 1.2621. It went up 1 pip. It will, you know, vice versa. We went to 1.2619 and went down a pip. Okay. The last number I really don't worry much about. That's a pipette. Okay. Now the Japanese money right here. USD, JPY is the Japan. Okay. They only have 2 numbers after the decimal. So these 2 are the pips, and this one is the pipette. So you see, these has 4, but the one that has Japanese money, they have 2 only after the decimal. This one has, you know, this one has 4 after the decimal. This one has 2 after the decimal. Okay. All right. So that's covered. Pipette. Let's see what else. What else? You can see the charts. You can see charts. You press the currency, charts. You can move it by hours, minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and I'm basically just clicking the screen, and that little circle will pop up. So y'all get the point, right? So y'all can zoom in, zoom out, all of that stuff. Now the next one down here, this is the window that you will see once you put in a trade. This is the window that you will see your trades, where they at. So let's see, let's go back here. Okay, let's explain it like this. This is, you see all the currency, all the pairs. Here's the charts. That's your pairs that are active on a buy or sell. And here's what, like, your basically like your stub, your history for the day. That's the history for the day. The other 2 I don't know, I don't use. All right, let's see what else. So let's say I want to add more pairs that I don't see here, because once you open an account, you're gonna have to add them. You go to the top right hand corner, so it has a plus. Click it. See, you can add metals, or you could add forex. So you just whichever one you want to add, you just click on it, and it will get add. See, I just click, and it will just add. Once you're done, you could go back, and there will be here. See? Okay. Now a lot of people, I didn't know this too, but, like, you know, that circle that comes out, you could check this out. Anywhere you put it, you could check. You know, you could check. It gives you the currency where it's at right now. You could also Let's see, you can also, you know, your settings here, the drawings. I didn't know this. This came, you know, I'm always working, so this came in helpful, because I would like to trade from a computer, but I'm rarely buy a computer, so I got to figure out a way to do it from my phone, to mark my chart from my phone. So right here, boom, I could go here, mark it. You can put in the numbers. You can put in the numbers, which currency and all that stuff, even the color. Okay, so that's that. What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, let's add in the sell loss and the TP. Sell loss and the TP. Sell loss is right here. Take profit is right here. Okay. When we tell you to put a sell, you know, sell loss or stop loss, this is like, let's say, you know, you thought your pair was gonna go one way, and it goes the opposite, so you start losing money. This will prevent you. This will prevent you from losing a lot of money if you put a stop loss. And let's say you want your take profit to stop, you know, to sell it right away once it hit your stop to take profit. Just remember, if you're doing a stop loss, if you're pressing buy, right? If you're pressing buy, this number has to be low. It's going to be lower than the, you know, let's say you're going to put a 10 pip down. So it's going to be 10 pips lower than what you actually bought it, right? But now if you're doing a sell and you're doing a sell loss, since you're marking it that it's coming down, this number is going to be 10 pips. Let's say you're using 10 pips. That number is going to be 10 pip higher than what you actually bought it. See right here you see the history. Let's see, let's try to do a trade. Let me see if it will let me do a trade right now. All right, I bought the USD, Euro USD, new order. Let's put a buy. All right, it didn't let me go through because the market is closed. About the lot size here, right here, you increase it by 1 pip. I mean, yeah, by 1 pip. No, not even 1 pip. That's 100 pip. Oh no, not even 100 pips. Oh my lord! But it goes up by 0.01. There you go. And here it goes up by 0.10. Okay. All right. I'm over the 5 minutes. What else? Let me see. What else? Yeah, keep asking me. I think that's it, fellas. That's basically what we use, really. So I know I went over the 5 minutes. I just wanted to keep it nice, short, and sweet. I gave you everything in one right there. Thank you, fellas, and have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, turn notification on, and share the videos, fellas. Thank you. Hey, peace.